Ever noticed how the person who cares the least always seems to have the most power? In a world where everyone is constantly available, being cold or emotionally detached isn't a weakness, it's a psychological superpower. Today we are decoding why low availability makes people obsessed with you. The law of scarcity. Human psychology is wired to value what is rare. When you are always a text away, your value drops. But the moment you become unavailable, people's brains start to wonder, why aren't they responding? What are they doing? This curiosity creates an emotional investment. By being less available, you shift from being an option to becoming a prize. The emotional reset. Being cold doesn't mean being rude. It means having high standards for your time. Most people give away their energy for free. When you stop reacting to every small detail and maintain a calm, detached focus, you regain control of the room. This strategic coldness forces others to work harder to earn your attention. The psychological hook. Think about it. We don't chase what we already have. We chase what we are afraid to lose. By mastering the art of low availability, you trigger a deep-seated fear of loss in others. They start seeking your validation because it's no longer guaranteed. If you want to be respected, stop being everywhere. Focus on your own mission, protect your peace, and let your absence do the talking. The ego doesn't need loud words, it needs silent power. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to the Ego Blueprint. Remember, silence is your greatest weapon.